Cameron play? He's just moving around everywhere. He's playing with his dinosaur. Now he's going to play with this ball. Just having a good time. There he goes. Look at him get around. See, I can get around everywhere. That's his ball. Cameron. 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 This is Mr. Wiggly. Hi, Cameron. Are you playing? What's this one? Look at that one. Look at that big ball. There's a big ball. You want to get it? Oh, look at that big ball. That's a big ball. Oh, come over and get it. It's over here.
Yellow circle. Yellow circle.
There it goes. What a big ball that is. You want to play with it? There. You gotta get it. Get it. Get that big ball. Look at it go over there. Are you gonna get it? Go get that ball. Are you gonna come get the ball? He's so far away. There it goes. There it goes. Get that ball. Are you gonna go get it? Get that ball, Cameron. Get that ball. Oh, there it is. There it goes. He's coming back. Mommy has a ball right here. You want the ball? Look at that ball. Oh! You want that ball, huh? You want that ball? Well, come get it. There's the ball. He's coming after you, this ball. There it goes. There it goes. Are you gonna get it? Yeah, you like that ball. Are you gonna go get that ball? Get that ball. Come on. We can see you. I'm trying. You want that ball bad, huh? There's another little ball. Is that what you're looking at over there? There's a little one. We like the big one, huh? Are you going to get the ball? Or do you think you can get that other one over there? This one? Or that one? Which one? Which one? This one? Or that one? You can't decide. Oh, the big one? The little one. Or there's one behind you. You like your balls. Are you going to give up? Okay. Alright. Cameron. Cameron. There it goes. Over. He's going to go for the little one. But your dinosaur's in the way. Your dinosaur's in the way. Maybe the big one again. Oh, such a tough choice. Okay, we'll say see you, Cameron. Cameron. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.